Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so if for a relaxed eye, we will consider that our final image is at infinity. So if the final image is at infinity, if we look at this diagram, this is the object, and then this object creates the image through this objective lens. So let's say this is our objective lens, and this is the eyepiece. So then uh, this image is been used as a virtual object, and since for a relaxed eye the image is created at infinity, so we can say that this image will be at the focal point of this eyepiece, right? So from that we can find out the image distance, since we know the total length or total distance between separation between the objective lens and eye. So the image distance will be di, which is equal to the separation minus the focal length of the eyepiece. So the separation is given as 14.8 centimeter, and the focal length is given as 1.8. So the image distance di is equal to 13.0 centimeters. So now we know this. So we can use equation 23.8 to find out the focal length of the objective lens. Since we already know the focal length of the objective lens, we have to find the object distance. So if we use this equation, since we know the focal point, we can write do, or the object distance, in terms of focal point and the image distance. So from here, do will be equal to f0 di divided by di minus f0. So we know all the values, so let's put those. So f0 is 0.80 centimeter, di is 13, we got it from the here, and then we have di, which is 13.0 centimeter, minus 0.8 centimeter. So that gives us d0, which is 0.8525 centimeter. Right. So we figured out our object distance. Next, we need to find the total magnification. So for this, we can directly use equation 25.6a, which gives us a relation between the focal length of the eyepiece and the object distance. So this will be using this equation. So L minus Fe divided by d0. Right, so n is the standard value, so that's 25 centimeters. Then we figured out L minus Fe from the previous part here, which is 13 centimeter. So we can directly write that. Then for Fe, it's given as 1.8 centimeter, and we figured out d0, which is 0.8525 centimeter. So our magnification, our total magnification, becomes 212x. Thank you.